Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to another vehicle showcase here at 911 Rapid Response. To our customer DH&L company out of Selinsgrove, Pennsylvania. And this is their new traffic unit number 80. I'm going to walk around with you. This is a Chevy pickup truck with the 6.6 liter V8 gas motor in it. So in the front of the vehicle here, we have Whelen T-ions flashing right now in red-white mode. As you can see, we're alternating the whites and the reds. They're synchronized through wheel and core. This vehicle is wrapped from our Mark.It Graphics department over in our graphics team. The top half of this is wrapped with black vinyl. So we got that two-tone look. It came out really sharp. It's a great looking truck. Right now, like I said, we're in slider 3. I have the truck in neutral so you can see the white flash, because when we put it in the park, it's going to change patterns. So we have the red whites flashing, we have headlights flashing as well. We have the Whelen 9X Edge Bar. This is the single stack version. They make it in 2 different versions. They make it in a single stack and a dual stack. This is the single stack that you see up top. All the graphics as well with the wrapper also done right here in-house. We have T-ions down along the running boards. We have them activate that they turn on solid white with door open. Gives you some extra scene lighting and area lighting when you're getting out of the vehicle to make sure you don't fall on something. In the back, we have a cap with side flip-up storage compartments, along with Whelen T-ions mounted on wedge brackets there at the top, and then T-ions down here along the bottom as well. Flip-up side compartments so you can get inside into the cap area. The back of the vehicle, we have a 22 series stick mounted up top there. Some other T-ions down here along the sides. If I actually flip this up, there's a strap here to pull this down. This goes pretty high, so they wanted a strap to pull this down. And then there's a bed slide. The bed slide is customer supplied, and the cap was customer supplied, but we do offer all in-house as well. We can supply the cap and bed slides as well. We did all the mounting on the back on their bed slide. So the mounting has cone bars on the top, traffic cones here on the side, some extra scene lights, and then extra storage down here in the bottom. I'm going to take you back up front, show you the inside here. The inside of the vehicle has a Havis console in it, Havis center console with your lighting controls, a flashlight mounted on there for them, their portable radio chargers, and their mobile radio install. I'm going to go over some flash patterns from the front of the truck. So right now we're in slider 3. Light bar is on drive mode right now. And if I put this in park, you'll be able to see it from up front. We're going to put this and force this into a DVI mode because it's nighttime technically in here. The LED lights with the photocell and the light bar think it's nighttime. But in daytime operation, it'd be a faster flash. But this just gives you an idea of some programming techniques that we can do actually with the light bar and stuff. And then we have scene lights like left scene, front scenes, rear scene, right scenes, etc. We do have also on here a cruise mode, which is a steady burn. So yeah, just a nice, simple traffic unit, gets the job done. Just another one of our couple hundred vehicles that we're building a year here at Rapid Response. If it's something that you like to see in your department, you like a quote on it, we do offer services worldwide. We ship all over the world, and we'd be happy to handle it for you. We can handle the complete project from the vehicle to delivery. We can handle everything for you. So just give us a call, 717-473-3843, and we'd be happy to help. Have a great day.